Hello everyone, I'm Nympha Taneo, a fourth-year Bachelor of Secondary Education major in mathematics student from Cebu Normal University. Today, I will present a journal article written by fellow normalites Lawrence Al Garcia, Joanna M. Castillo, Jillian Bejo, Ernil H. Pedula, Maria Myla I. Lapa, and Daisy Palampon, all from CNU. The article is titled "Understanding COVID-19 Dispersion in the Filipino Sociocultural Context", and this was published in the Asia Pacific Journal of Health Management in 2020. I chose this because it's not only relevant to our society, but it's also authored by researchers from our own university, making me proud to share their work. This study analyzed 52 early COVID-19 cases in the Philippines. The researchers collected data on age, sex, existing illnesses, source of infection, proximity to care years, and health status. They found that older male Filipinos with pre-existing health conditions were most at risk. What makes this study unique is how it connects science with culture, showing how Filipino traditions, close family ties, and community interactions can influence how the virus spreads. This research has a big impact to the following factors. First, socially. It identifies vulnerable groups and promotes culturally sensitive health messages. Second, scientifically, it provides localized data that global studies might overlook. And third, economically, it helps focus health interventions where they're most needed, saving resources. I admire this article because it blends medical data with cultural understanding. It reminds us that solving health problems isn't just about science, it's about knowing the people you're helping. As a future educator, I can see how this approach is important in teaching. Science becomes more meaningful when we connect it to our own culture and community experiences. What makes this extra special for me is that the authors are fellow normalites. They've shown that research from our own classrooms and laboratories can reach an international audience and help address real-world problems. It's inspiring to know that one day we can also contribute valuable work to the world. In conclusion, Garcia et al. Study offers a highly and culturally grounded understanding of COVID-19 in the Philippines. It proves that Filipino researchers, and even our fellow normalites, can create work that matters locally and globally. As a CNU student, I am proud to present this, and I hope it inspires others to see that science, technology, and society are deeply connected in our own lives. Thank you.